The Bird's Nest breakfast is on the menu today, and it is a head turner to say the least, especially for a special occasion or just a creative weekend breakfast dish. So let's dive into the recipe. For the greenery in the nest, thinly slice up some scallion tops lengthwise, and you're going to soak them in ice cold water to get them crispy and curled. You can also prep the picked parsley at this time, but I did forget to get that on camera, so my bad on that. Next, you want to prep out the poached eggs, so get a pot filled 3/4 of the way up with water, get that to a boil and season with salt and white vinegar. Give the water a twirl and crack the egg in, and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the egg is done, transfer it to a paper towel and repeat this process for the other egg. Once the eggs are done, you're going to curl the potatoes in a Japanese vegetable turner or spiralizer and fry the curly potatoes in cooking oil that's around 350 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown. This is a good time to shape it so that it evenly cooks, and you can create a space in the middle for the eggs. Chopsticks work great for this. I'd recommend cooking this a little less than what mine turned out to be, but it still works if it gets dark golden brown. Season the potatoes with salt and dried provincial herbs, and then right before you dress your greens, you're going to pat off some of the moisture from the ice water, and then you're going to dress them with olive oil, a generous amount of curled lemon zest, and a good seasoning of salt and black pepper to finish. Now, to plate this up, it's pretty straightforward. So you're just going to place the potatoes down first, then you're going to make a little nest with those dressed greens, and then the poached eggs straight in the middle, topped with some coarse black pepper and some crunchy salt, and this creative breakfast is ready to be shared. A dish like this is definitely meant to invoke a sense of playful enjoyment at the table using common breakfast ingredients that we're all familiar with and that keep it fairly simple. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe, and be sure to share this far and wide if you did. Drop a comment for future recipe requests, and I'll see you guys next time with another dish. Later, folks. Whoa.